Hazel C. Mendihar. Teresa Luella A. Linel.
Hazel Mona Mendihar, Certified Artificial Intelligence Professional.
Hazel C. Mendihar. Teresa Luella A. Menil.
That at all times and places
I will adhere closely
to
the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the nursing profession in the Philippines, and that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized nurse practitioner. So help me God. Congratulations!
Huwag kang umiyak, Ben!